Yo, StackMODE Chris here, man. We're going to be talking about a very important topic, and that's going to be stop rushing your trades. So, a lot of you who have been rushing your trades, and it's just absolutely doing nothing but skewing your performance in such significant ways that you guys really couldn't even fathom. When you're not waiting for your proper setup, whether you guys trade reversals or breakouts, and you guys aren't waiting for the higher time frame bias to create structure and then take a trade off of a key level of support or resistance, when you guys are just getting on the chart, getting on the 1 minute, getting on the 5 minute, oh, market's going up, so I'm just going to go ahead and trade, buy some calls because it's going up on the 5 minute chart or the 1 minute chart. That's going to hold you back. And I know plenty of traders, and especially when I first started trading futures myself, that was a big issue. Pretty much you're just getting on and clicking buttons at that point. When you guys are just getting on and you don't really understand market structure, you're just getting on and you're just pressing buttons. Okay. So you can take into account and keep in mind, you definitely can be profitable trading the 1 minute chart, but you guys definitely have to do some specific eyeballing and calculations. You know, at the end of the day, the way it looks on every time frame is its own story. So the 1 minute chart is not going to show you the same thing as like the 4 hour chart, for example. The 1 minute chart is going to show you a bunch of mini candles. 4 hours is going to show you a bunch of longer candles. But the higher the time frame, the more confirmed the price action is, especially if you see congruencies on higher time frames, such as the weekly, for example. If you see a double top on the weekly, you know it's a very probable zone of resistance. But if you guys see a double top on the 1 minute with low volume, you can't really tell. Okay. So make sure you guys are using your higher time frame bias. And you need to make sure that you're being extremely patient, because when you start taking trades that don't revolve around your setup, it's going to lead you into getting into bad habits. And those bad habits are going to be extremely hard to purge once you guys do start having them. So let's say, for instance, you get on and you're looking at the 1 minute chart, you're used to playing VWAP taps or something like that. One, you can't completely rely on indicators. I see a lot of people who trade with VWAP and EMAs and stuff like that. Are they great? Not really, because it's just based off of candlestick guidance. And if you need those, that means you can't really eyeball price action and you can't eyeball candlestick wicks. So in my opinion, no, those aren't great. Because if you're expecting an exact VWAP tap and then you don't get it, you guys are gonna be like, well, how do I trade? You pretty much don't know how to trade. So you need to be extremely patient when it comes to finding your setup as well. You need to be sitting down at the charts, getting on your weekly time frame, your monthly, get on your daily, and you need to be eyeballing for key areas of support resistance. I have tons of videos on how to find this. I even have patience tattooed on me in Arabic just to show you guys. Patience is so key, especially within this game and within life. You know, it says in the holy text that we do need to be patient as human beings, and this is really important. Why you guys should also believe in God as well, because the more patient we are, I truly believe the more rewarded we'll be. When you guys are just getting on, you guys are just fiending to take a setup. You're fiending to take a scalp. You're fiending, and you're just losing money. You're pretty much just getting on and chipping away at bread. You're blowing your account for no reason. I'm not gonna lie; it's kind of almost impossible to blow up your account. I'm just gonna keep it 100. Blowing up your account should not really be a thing. Um, yeah, blowing up your account really shouldn't be a thing, man. You guys should be able to get on and just dominate off the rip. Just get on and dominate, man. Stick to your risk management. If you're blowing your account, that's because you're not being patient. You're taking way too many trades, especially if you guys blow your account within like a week. You shouldn't even be taking more than like 2 trades in a week, in my opinion. Most of the time, there's not really more than like 2 or 3 trades in a week. And if there is, that doesn't mean you need to take every single one of them. Take some bread, withdraw, get off the charts. So a lot of you who are just giving back profit as well, and it's absolute nonsense. You're just getting on, giving back profit, giving back profit, giving back profit. You're not withdrawing. You're not building any kind of sustenance within your account because you're trading too much. You're over trading. You're over trading. You're over trading because you're fiending for bread. I know. I know you want to pay your bills. I know you want to clear your debt. I know you want to go get that new crib with the pool. I know. I understand. Trust me. I know you guys want to go cop a Ferrari, go cop that new whip, but you have to stay down. You have to wait for the setups because you keep blowing your account, being impatient, and that's setting you back months and months and months and months and months and months and months of progress over and over and over again, you continue to do this. When are things going to change? You have to look yourself in the mirror and you have to ask, when am I going to change? A lot of you be on this John panicking. Y'all are panicking, bro. Stop panicking. It's going to be cool. Okay? The charts is not going anywhere. It's been around for over 2 decades. Why are you rushing setups? That has me drawn. Stop. You need to stop, man. Stop rushing setups. There's absolutely no point to be doing that. You're wasting your time. How are you going to be profitable in the long run? And how are you supposed to be a trader, a seasoned trader? If you want to get in this game, you got to understand that people have been doing this before I was even born. I'm 21. Trading's been around for over 2 decades. Been around since the 90s, 80s. You think these people don't know about patience? It's all a game of patience. It's all a game of who's going to be the most patient. Because if you're not, you're going to get your bread robbed. You're going to get your bread snatched. Trading is PvP. When you lose, someone is winning. And when you're winning, someone is losing. This is not just on here getting money for no reason. So it's important that you guys are staying calculated. Think about real life war, for example. People don't just charge in the battle. You're finna go get clipped. Don't just charge in the battle. You need to be thinking logically. You need to set your plan up. You need to make sure your soldiers are in place. It's the same thing on the charts, bro. It's war out here. It's war. People are playing with millions of dollars. This is not a game. Some of you are on here treating this like a game, and it's because of the prop firm space. Really, I believe so, man. People think they can just get on here, quit their job, and do all kinds of stuff trying to make it out. This is not a game, bro. You need to have your life structure, your emotion structure. You need to make sure that you're structured as an individual before you even think about coming onto the charts. Because what are you doing? Like, come on, man. I want y'all to improve, man. I don't care what you guys are going through. I don't care if you guys are going through the worst breakup of your life. I don't care if you just lost everything. You have to keep pushing through, but you have to stay patient. Just because you lost everything, that doesn't mean go hop on the 1 minute chart and try to scalp something real quick. Try to trade these concepts. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not even gonna throw names out there, but all that is cringe. You guys need to just stay patient, stay disciplined, stay prayed up with God, man. Wait for your setups. I give you guys so much sauce in my course, in my mentorship, in my ebook. It's not even hard. Trade after trade after trade after trade is one. Such a high win rate, especially when you guys just wait for breakups. Just wait for a key area of support or resistance to be broken and get in. That's it. That's all you have to do. You don't even have to predict tops and bottoms of the markets. Just wait for a key area of support or resistance to be broken, bro, and just get in. That's it. Set your stop loss, and that's it. A lot of y'all are panicking for no reason, bro, and it's stressing me out because I want you guys to be successful so bad, but it's like you don't want to be successful. You're doing cringe things. You're trying to rush. Stop. Wait. Wait. Because the more you wait, the less you blow your account, and the more you wait for the real setups, the higher your win rate's gonna be. The more you can deposit in because you're not losing every day, and the bigger your trades are gonna be. The bigger your trades are gonna be, the less you're gonna need to even trade. Okay. Just stop tripping. Y'all are being ridiculous. Okay? I love y'all so much. Stack more Chris. We'll catch you in the next one. Wow.